Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Wise account. Now, Wise was previously called TransferWise, but recently their name changed to Wise. So, in case you knew that TransferWise, it's practically the same thing. So, when you come to their website, which is wise.com, the first thing you want to do is that you want to click on register. Now it's going to bring you here. The first thing you're going to be prompted is to create or add your email address. I'm going to do that and go to the next screen. And also you can create this account using Gmail, Facebook, or Apple. You can use your iCloud account. I'm just going to add my email address here and go to the next. Now, after adding my email address, I was sent this confirmation email. So I'm going to click here in the email, this link here, to confirm my account. And it tells me my account has been confirmed. I'll click to continue. I want to create a personal account first. And then here I want to choose my country and add my email address. So based on my current location, these are the things I can do. I can send money abroad, but I can't convert and hold money, receive money, get the Wise card, invest my money. In your case, based on your location, you may be able to do all of these. But so if you are based in the US, you have all of this. Right now, I'm in a location where I can do all of this. So I'm going to click on continue. So it's going to prompt me to verify my email address, or my number rather. I'm going to add my phone number and they are going to send me the verification code. Now you see here they are asking me to complete the verification. I need to get the app. Now I'm on my home screen. The first thing I want to do is that I want to go to Play Store. I'm going to go to Google Play Store and I'm going to search for Wise. And this is what I'm looking for. I'm going to install that. It takes a little bit of time to install. Now it's installing and I'll open it. And it tells me to get started. Now I need to log in. I'll add the email address which I added. Now it sends me another email to my inbox. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to confirm. I will decline all cookies and my account has been confirmed. So I will now go back to the Wise app and you see I'm going to select personal account, and then based on my country I'll take this all over. I'll go to next. I'll add my phone number right here. After verifying my phone number, I'm asked to add my password. I'm just going to add that right now. I've added my password. I'm going to click on register. And it's taking me to the registration screen. Now I've registered my account and it says we'd like to use ad tracking. We need your permission to see if you like to browse other apps and websites when we run ads. To continue, you can choose whether or not. I'll say continue. I'm going to deny. I don't want them using my data. Stay secure with biometrics. And I can set up biometrics from here. And I can use my fingerprint. And it says biometrics are on. I'm going to say got it. Now it's going to ask me for my information. I'm just going to put my information here. After adding my information and clicking to the next, it wants me to search for my address or postcode. I will just enter that manually because in my country we don't have a very organized system like in the West. So I'm going to say enter that manually I'm going to put my home address and my city, and I'll click on confirm and continue. Now it's redirecting me to the next screen, and it's asking me how much do you want to send. I can send from here. I can choose to send maybe US dollars, probably maybe 10, and in euros, my recipient is going to get this particular one. He's going to get 8.6 euros. And I could connect my bank account from here. And you see, connected bank account ACH. Pay with ACH by connecting your US bank account with Wise. And you get a $0.94 fee. You can also do send from my Visa, Master, or Maestro, and it will arrive in 5 hours. I could also send from my Visa or MasterCard through Maestro, arrives in also in 5 hours. This is my credit card, this is my debit card. And I could do international wires here, send US dollars from my bank account outside the US, and my bank would charge an extra fee. So if I wanted to connect my bank account, I'll come here, and it's going to prompt me, let's say change, I wanted to connect. So these are the different payment methods. I could also pay by wire transfer, and the recipient is going to get just $2.8 because they'll cut charges. Now see, these are the fees, $7. Now if I wanted to pay with my bank account, and I'm paying $10, no, bank account, the recipient gets $8.6, and the fee is 0.94. When I go to continue, I'm going to have to add my bank account. So this is where I'm going to have to search for the person I want to send. Let's just see, at Wang. Now be very careful. Make sure you actually know the names of the person. And it says no results found. You could also enter the person's bank account details. So I'm just going to come back here. You could sync your contacts, your phone contacts, in order to find the person. But next, this is where you add your own bank account. Who's your recipient? Myself, someone else, business or charity. And if you search there and you add them, you can continue. So that in a nutshell is how to use TransferWise for transactions. If you got any value out of this video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.